Hi, I'm Emily at Body Brain Balance in St. Joseph, Michigan, and this is a bonus foam rolling video. It was 4 parts, but I just added one. Please enjoy. We are going to work on our neck, in particular the suboccipitals, because these muscles right here, they're really good. They're the seeing muscles, and sometimes if they're so tight, they can bring headaches. And so we're going to address those through a foam roller. Remember to hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. All right, so get your foam roller. And place it under your neck. Lengthen your legs, toes up as though they are touching a wall, spreading them. And you can hold the foam roller for more support. And first, we're just going to begin with engaging our breath. How big can your breath be? How wide? Can you make shapes with your breath? Can you engage your breath in a way you've never engaged it before? This breathing helps relax the neck as well as the whole body. Releasing the jaw, releasing the face. Noticing if there's any stuck areas and send some breath there. What might it be like to drop your breath even more? And maybe that allows your muscles to back over your bones more, and your bones to drop your breath, and your whole body to relax more. All right. So what we're going to do first, well, second, after the breath work, is just roll your neck slowly. Nice and slow. And then if there's a sticky spot, hang out there and breathe. Play with engaging your breath in a different way and lingering. The longer we hold this, the better, because we're breaking muscle fibers and we're aligning them in the way we want them. I notice I have a little bit more stickiness on my left side, so I'm going to linger there a little longer. Minimum 30 seconds would be great for the muscles to get information, but you can go as long as 5 minutes or even longer. Noticing the difference of each side. Is there a difference on each side? We are asymmetrical, so we technically don't need the same thing on both sides. So when you're doing this at home, just listen to your body and notice what you need and do that. And what each side needs, because you don't have to do it the same. I mean, you can, but not necessarily. So then, after you've done this, lower your chin so you can get a different angle. And roll. Nice and slow. And notice the difference. Maybe your spots that are more sticky are different on each side are the same. Maybe not. See how big your breath can be, how slow your roll can be. Giving some deep self-massage in these suboccipitals. It may not feel like a lot, but it's huge. So really remember to hydrate and be gentle with yourself. And take this work in with your breath, and allowing your breath to be bigger allows this work to sit longer. Now, come to neutral and look up. Notice the difference. And hang up. There's sticky areas. This is so good. I mean, this is deep tissue massage. This is myofascial. You can do it yourself. And it's so great to have ways that we can care for ourselves, especially in these times. But always. Touch is so important. So this is a way that we can give ourselves some self-work, self-healing, self-love, and tend to our bodies. See where your breath's at? See if you can drop it more. Release your face. Notice if there's any tension. And come to neutral and just let your feet go, let your arms go as though you're in yoga nidra. And let this work assimilate. You can roll off and just do yourself a body scan and see if there's any tension. Some breath there. Close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. Allow the work to assimilate. And at your own pace, rolling to the side, releasing up. Take your time each step. And come to a cross-legged position. Switch the cross. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me through my website, www.bodybrainbalance.me, through email, b3bodybrainbalance@gmail.com, through phone, 646-259-9451. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay well, stay safe, and until next time.